Hello everyone, today we're doing TryHackMe's Disgruntled Capture the Flag. So you can SSH in as user root and the password's password. So the questions are, they give you a description. Hey kid, good you're here. Not sure if you've seen the news. The employee from IT department of one of our clients, Cyber T, got arrested by the police. The guy was running a successful phishing operation as a side gig. Cyber T wants us to check if this person has done anything malicious to any of their assets. Uh, get set up, grab a cup of coffee, meet me in the conference room. So um, here's the machine our disgruntled IT user worked on last. Check to see if there's any client needs that need to be worried about. My advice: look at the privilege commands that were run. That should get you started. Answer the questions below. The user installed the package on the machine using privilege escalated or elevated privileges according to the logs, which was the full command. So for that one, we just do cat, then the var log directory for auth log dot one, and then just grep apt for apt. So the question is, what is the full command? So the full command would be this. What is the present working directory of the previous command run? Cyber T home. Keep going. Our disgruntled IT was supposed to only install a service on this computer, so look for commands that are unrelated to that. Answer the questions below. Which user was created after the what user was created after the package from the previous task was installed? So we'll just change this to add user, and you get IT admin. What is user created? IT admin. The user was then later given sudo privileges. When was the sudoers file updated? So for that one, do the same thing. So you change this to vi sudo because that's what it's called for when you edit the sudoers file. So the last time would be this date. This is the format, month, day, month, day, year, date, hour, minute. So that's a script file was opened using vi text editor was the name of this file. So we'll do the same thing, except just get rid of the sudo part. So that would be bombshell. Script file was the name of the file, bombshell. That bombshell file is a huge red flag. While a file is already incriminating in itself, we still need to find out where it came from and what it contains. The problem is that the file does not exist anymore. Answer the questions below. What is the command used that created the file bomb.shell? So if you just well, cat home IT admin, because that was the file that was the created the user that was created, and then bash history, and then grep the bomb.show. So it was this is the command that was used to create it. The file was renamed and moved to a different directory. What is the full path of this file now? So they used sudo vi. So if we go and change, just delete all that, change this to vim info for vi's history. Vim info. You see that it was says saved in, or quit, save as, bin os, uh, update shell bash script. So the file was renamed and moved to a different directory. What is the full path of this now? So it'd be bin os. When was the file from the previous question last modified? Month, day, hour, minute. So for that one, you'll just do date or flag bin os update.sh, and it would be December 28th, 29. You don't need the seconds this time. What is the name of the file that will get created when the file from the first question is executed? So it's easy. You just cat it to see what's in it. And the file that will get created is goodbye text. So you have so we have a file and a motive. The question now is, how will this file be executed? Surely he wants to make it execute at some point. Answer the questions below. What is the time that the most this file will be activated or whatever? So that's easy too. That's just and the time says 08. So on cron jobs it's a 24-hour clock, so that would be 8 o'clock a.m. So hour minute, so it would be 0800 a.m. That's a 2, not an 8. 08 a.m. That's everything. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any requests, hit me up. Peace.